Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie and I'm applying for the position of MCVP Outgoing Exchange and Communication in AIESEC Macedonia. In this video I'm going to ask myself two questions. The first question is pretty philosophical and the question is, who am I? So first I will tell you that I'm 19 years old. I'm in my second year of studies from the Faculty of Economics and I'm second year in AIESEC also. So according to the test My Type, I am the teacher. This means that I'm naturally expressive person and sociable. I like group activities, I like group gatherings, and I don't like arguments. Everything that is unresolved issue, I like to resolve it right now on the spot. Other thing is that I prefer the future rather than the past because I can shape it whatever way I want, and that means that I'm a dreamer, I'm an innovator, enthusiast, and I'm a creative person. In life I fight for the things I love, for the things that make me happy, and for the things I truly believe in. I don't like arguments in a team and I prefer to resolve them right away, and I prefer compromises, but sometimes arguments are good in a certain way because it provokes a discussion, and if in a team everything is well and flowers are blooming, maybe there is a problem. As a teacher, I appreciate flexibility and a little bit spontaneity, but I really like when I'm in control of things, so that it's all about me and my personality. According to this test, that I truly believe it's true. The second thing I'm going to ask myself in this video is why I applied for this position. The thing is that AIESEC has given me so much, has given me so many good things that no other organization or workplace can provide. So I respect that and I want to give back to this organization. I truly believe in the goals, in the values, and in the impact that AIESEC is doing in today's society. And I still want to be part of the leaders of Macedonia that make this change, this positive change happen. I truly believe that all of us can make AIESEC Macedonia rise to the higher level. And I know that I can contribute to this with my skills, abilities, and competences. For the end of this video, I've put together some pictures that show the things and the moments that I love the most.
Throw your hands high in the air, everybody say, oh yeah!